welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. So this video today is inspired by Mother's Day, which is coming up very soon. I wanted to give you guys some ideas on low cost options for mom from the Dollar Tree. If you do watch my channel and you see some of my haul videos, you might have seen me haul these items. They're really great options to give mom to show her how special she is. I am also going to have two options at the very end that are completely free that you can do from home, which are a really great option for anybody, especially children, or if you're a partner looking to help, your child create something for mom. Those are some options as well. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with these gift bags. We all know if you shop at the Dollar Tree, you can get some really great gift bags from the Dollar Tree. Both of these are from Dollar Tree. But before you do that, save yourself some money and go take a look at the stash that you may already have at home. If you yourself don't personally have a stash, maybe somebody you're living with does. If you're living with mom, go take a look at mom's stash. A lot of us moms tend to keep these gift bags and reuse them later on down the street. So these two are both from Dollar Tree, but they're also both from previous years that were used for other things about 1 or 2 years ago. So I do know that this pink bag here is still sold at Dollar Tree. You actually get 2 of them for the price of 1, and this is part of their Valentine's Day collection as well. And then of course, look at your stash for all of this beautiful paper as well, and try to reuse what you already have at home. That's one really great option on saving money. All right, let's get started on the items that you can haul for your mom. All right, so the items I'm going to show you today, you can pick and match some of the items and make a gift, or you can use absolutely all of them. All depends on what your budget is. So we're going to start off with this bag right here. All right, so when I think Mother's Day, as I'm sure a lot of moms, we think relaxation and we think of being treated and all that kind of fun stuff. So the first item is, of course, candles. The Dollar Tree has so many great candle options. So these are 4 of my absolute favorites that are currently at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to start off right here. This is the Rose collection. They smell absolutely delicious. So this is the Spring Berry New York Rose collection. Absolutely beautiful smelling candles. So we have that one there. These are my favorite right here because of the nautical theme. I just love nautical. This is also part of the Rose collection. And then look at this one. These are really great options for mom to have a really nice relaxing bath. You can put one of these by the bath or even just to have in her bedroom. I love this one as well. So Blooming Love scented candle. I think this is so cute. It comes in a little coffee cup. So definitely check out your Dollar Tree's candle selection. That would be, my opinion, an absolute must to add to any little gift that you can give mom, is give her something beautiful to smell. And if mom has, doesn't like candles, you can also look at alternatives. The Dollar Tree does have wax melts. So here's another option. I mean, you can get both, or you can just get one or the other. So here are some wax melts. These are lilac petals and they smell absolutely beautiful. And if mom has a sensitivity to smells and can only handle a little bit, I would probably recommend the wax melt, because then mom can control how much she melts. Of course, she would have to have a wax warmer in order to use these. So continuing right down that road of relaxation, there's some really great options at Dollar Tree in terms of, spoiling yourself. So here is a really good option as well, Sassy and Chic. I know that I would love to have one of these nail files. You can also pair this up with some nail polish. There's a lot of great nail polish options from Dollar Tree as well. You can also pair this up with some makeup from the Dollar Tree. There's a lot of really great brands. I know a lot of Dollar Trees these days are carrying e.l.f. brands. So if you know what type of makeup your mom likes, you can pair it up with that as well. I thought this was a really great idea. This is some hand and nail cream. It's also a perfect size for mom to keep in her purse. If she doesn't have a purse, maybe in her bag or in the car, or even beside her bed in her end table. So this is a coconut. And then some really nice body lotion. This smells absolutely to die for. It reminds me of something that you would get at Bath and Body Works. So this is body lotion, 8 ounces, plum berry scented. It smells just so good. And they have different scents that you can choose from as well. So there's another option that you could pair along with the candles that I just showed you. And then you can also throw in some face masks for mom. Here we have cucumber peel off mask. So this is the cucumber peel. Everyone loves a really great face mask. And here's another one. So this is the collagen spa treatment mask. And those are right from the Dollar Tree in the aisle that has the makeup and bathroom products. A few other really great spa items you can get as well is this foot scrub, a face mask, so one of these gel masks. It's really, really great for puffiness or even if you have like a headache. And then you saw this guy over here, so this would be a body scrubber. So an exfoliating glove. You can get her 1 or 2. And then some other ideas as well. It's always nice to throw in some chocolate. We all love chocolate. I mean, if mom doesn't like chocolate, you know your mom best, but grabbing a few chocolates, really great price options at your Dollar Tree. I also found these really cute containers. I don't know if they still have them because it was part of the Valentine's Day collection, but you can check your craft area to see if they do still have these craft bottles. But you can also get a craft bottle and fill it up with mom's favorite candy, put a little bow around it, and that would make a really great option as well. Now, some items I did not pick up would include other great options. Coloring. You can get coloring pencils and coloring books. I know a lot of Dollar Trees have really great adult coloring books. A lot of us adults are into those these days, so that would be a great alternative as well. Alright guys, and here is the second half of my video. So here I want to talk about some free alternative options as well. So one, of course, being cards. It's so easy to make your own card, whether you have a computer or not. If you don't, you can just do it through construction paper and things like that that you would have learned in school. Or if you do have a computer and a printer, one of the perfect programs that I love to use is called Avery. I am not sponsored with them, but I love their program a ton. I buy their sticker paper and a lot of other printer type papers from them, and they have a free program that you can use, and it literally has hundreds of different templates to choose from. So I'm just showing you an example of how you can choose from different card options that they have. You can go on Google Images, look for your own fun images that you want to save on your computer and then use to make your own card. Or you can also use family pictures. If you have some pictures of you and mom and the family on your computer, you can use those options as well. So here I'm just showing you some Google Images. I'm using family photos off of Google Images rather than my own personal photos, but I'm just showing you how you can easily search items under Google Images. And then if you go into Avery, you select the card type you want because they have a lot of different card styles, and you just look through their templates and you click on Image Upload, and you just upload the image right off of your computer like I'm doing right here. So I'm showing you how I can make my own card. If you happen to also have cardstock, that would be a really great paper to print on because it will be thicker than your regular printer paper. So I'm just uploading this really beautiful Happy Mother's Day image. And if you look on the right side, it shows where I can flip pages. So I'm now looking at the inside of the card where I can type up my own text. So all I did was put add text, and now I'm going to type up whatever it is that I would want to have inside the card. Very, very simple. So I'll let you guys watch for an example of how I do this. Here's an example, guys, I'm showing you of how you can upload personal photos and make a really beautiful collage. This is a really great way to personalize the card yourself. And all I'm doing is I'm just adding multiple images. You just keep clicking the add image button and you upload as many images as you want off of your computer, and then you can organize and resize them the way that you want. This is probably one of my most favorites, and I do use it quite often for birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, even Christmas. It's a great way to personalize your cards. All right, as a second option that you can include either separately or with a card that you just made as well are cash-in tickets. I've seen these many times at different card stores. I've even seen them at the Dollar Tree during the holidays, where you can make your own cash-in tickets for mom. So what I'm doing to make these is I'm using name tags, the templates from Avery, and then I'm just going through all of the dozens of different pictures that they have, and I'm going to select one, and you'll see how I customize it in a moment. But if you don't know what I'm referring to, cash-in tickets would be just really fun things that you can do for mom, and mom can cash them in at any time. So I'll show you a few examples of what I'm going to include. So here's the template that I selected. I'm now uploading my own picture. You saw me use this on the card earlier. You can really upload whatever you want. But if you take a look to the right upper corner, you'll see that there's a very small preview of the name tags. That's where I go to customize each individual ticket so that the name tags don't say the same thing, because I want to customize each of them to be different things that mom can cash in. So I'll let you guys watch for a few moments here. So as you guys can see, what I was doing is I was clicking on each tag in the upper right hand corner to switch to a different one so I can customize each individual, because generally name tags these are actually address labels. You would normally have it with the same thing written on each of them, but that's how you can easily customize them. If you have any questions about how to make these products, please leave me a comment below. I am more than happy to answer those questions. All right, guys, so those are my items for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You're inspired to go ahead and put together a cute little package for mom that she's absolutely gonna love, and it's on a really great budget. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and stay tuned for more DIYs and hauls coming your way. Love and peace to you all. Bye.